my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. It is an orangey vibes, fall vibes makeup tutorial. I feel like I was inspired by the pumpkin spice latte. A lot of the colors that I use are like orangey and brown, and since we are entering fall, this is totally like a pumpkin spice latte makeup tutorial. The only thing is I don't have a pumpkin spice latte for this video, but this is the vibes that I'm going for and I'm loving this look. I did a little bit of glow, but it is kind of more on the natural side, I feel like, with my makeup tutorials, because I do usually like to do a really dark eye or like super full crazy glam. I feel like this is super glam, but then it's more on the softer side, if you know what I mean. So today I actually used a brush set that I got from BoxyCharm and Luxie brushes. It came in this gorgeous Impressions Vanity Slay case. These are all the brushes that came in the collection. There's literally so many. I did my entire makeup look using these brushes. I've actually only had 3 tiny Luxie eyeshadow brushes that came in a gift bag, so I'm excited to add this to my brush collection. All of them are super high quality and high performing, and I like that they are dark, so you know, when I have my blush colors or contour colors or anything like that, it's not like too dirty looking. And these are amazing. I didn't use every single one. I actually used almost every single one, but I used this to do my face. No sponges, no other devices, just these Luxie brushes. So I'm so happy I have some new brushes in my collection. If you guys want to get it, everything is linked below. So excited. Thank you so much, BoxyCharm and Luxie brushes, for sponsoring this video. So let's get started on this pumpkin spice latte fall makeup tutorial. I'm going to start off with the eyes. I'm going to start with the NARS Tinted Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. This is in the color medium. Next, I'm going to take this Soda Pop palette from Maybelline. Look how cute this palette is. And then I'm going to take the color Ginger Ale right here with the Luxie Tapered Blending Eye Brush. And then I'm going to take the color Chilling using the Luxie 704 Crease Blend. And I'm going to draw a crease. And now I'm going to take the same crease blend brush, and I'm going to take the color Cola Float right here, and I'm going to literally draw right above that last color, so it's like a cute orange crease. Blend it together. It literally is the cutest brownish orange ever. And then I'm going to take the Luxie Short Shader brush and take the color Soda Fizz right here. And I'm going to fill in the crease where I don't really have eyeshadow and fill in that color, that Cola Float. So now we have a shimmery bronzy brown lid, and then I'm going to take the crease blend brush again, and I'm going to take this bright orange color, Crushing, and lightly put it right above the Cola Float color. So it's kind of like a transition shade, and it'll blend everything to like the top. This kind of reminds me of like a pumpkin spice. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go get me a pumpkin spice latte after this for sure, with almond milk, obviously. No dairy for me. And I'm gonna take the color Root Beer right here. And with that color, I'm gonna kind of color in the outer corner, like an outer V, but like not such a deep outer V, just like a small one. Next, I'm going to take this Detail Flat Blender Face Brush by Luxie. It's a face brush, but I'm going to use it on my eye. And I'm going to take the color Tonic right here. It's a shimmery light color. Dab it at the most inner corner of my eye. And I feel like it just creates like this pumpkin shimmery eye that goes to matte in like an orangey brown. And then I'm going to take this Bliss Drench and Quench Moisturizer. It is a cream to water hydrator for all day moisture. I'm going to take this liquid foundation brush. I'm going to use this for my foundation as well, but I'm going to take this brush. Then I'm going to take the Tatcha Revitalizing Eye Cream, that on my under eyes. Take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Orange. And then I'm going to take a primer. This one has been one of my favorites these days. It is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. I'm going to take the same foundation brush and put it all over my face. And then I'm going to take the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Foundation in the color Warm Beige. I'm going to take this Buffer Foundation brush and blend it out. Ooh, this brush works really well. I haven't used brushes for a while. I use brushes for like a lot of things except my foundation, but this is a really amazing brush. And then I'm going to take the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. Applicator is very interesting and it's like thick, so you gotta be careful if you're not used to it. I'm going to use this Airbrush Concealer brush and buff it out. It is a pretty full coverage concealer, but it feels lightweight. So once I like kind of blend it out, it doesn't really feel like I'm wearing concealer. No, it looks snatched and it's a lot brighter. At first when I put it on, I was like, I don't know if I could get used to this color. It seemed really warm tone, yellow tone. It actually blended in really well with the foundation. And then I'm going to take the Classic Translucent Powder by Lawless. It is a loose setting powder, all natural. I'm going to take this powder setting brush and I'm going to set that concealer. Now I'm going to do the contour. I'm going to actually take MAC's Studio Fix, the 24-hour concealer. Applicator is skinny, perfect for contouring. And I'm just gonna put a little bit because I know it's dark and I don't want to go too hardcore with it. I'm gonna take the Airbrush Concealer brush and really try to blend it out. Ooh, that's a beautiful contour. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit, do a little bit of my nose, and then do a little bit on my forehead. I actually really love this Buffer Foundation brush. It's really amazing. Let's do the eyebrows. I'm going to take this Brow Contour Pro pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. The color that I'm using is brown medium. It comes with different pencil options, highlighters and definers and stuff like that. It's super cool. I'm actually going to use the highlighter part right now. And I'm going to go under the brow lightly. I don't want to do it too crazy because I don't want to erase the eyeshadow that we have. I'm going to take this flat definer brush and just blend it out really quick, just a little bit, just to shape the bottom of the brow. The lighter shade first, and I'm going to start in the inner corner of the brow and kind of just fill it in. And then I'm going to switch to the deeper shade for the outer corners and the tail. And then I'm going to take this spoolie brush and just blend the brows so that they're nice and graceful. I do get my brows shaped and waxed and everything at Kelly Baker Brows. I think it's time for me to get them done. Now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to actually go back into the eyes. I'm going to take this LA Girl Blackout Eyeliner and I'm going to close the lid at the bottom. And then I'm going to take this Hourglass Voyeur Waterproof Liquid Liner. Ooh, this eyeliner is really good for a winged eye. And then I'm going to do it on this side. Such an amazing eyeliner to get a really sharp, skinny, winged line. And I'm going to go back into the Soda Pop palette and I'm going to use this Luxie Eye Definer. Take the color Chilling right here, go in the lower lash line and fill it in. The eyeliner smudged a little bit. I'm gonna kind of cover it up. Makeup is so fun because you can literally layer and layer. And then I'm gonna take the color Crushing, the orange color, go over the last color. And then I'm gonna take Cola Float, my fave color of the palette, and I'm gonna go over that last color in the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the color Root Beer right here and really go in the lower lash line. Taking my crease blend brush, I'm gonna blend it together and tighten the top with the bottom. So now I'm going to do my mascara and then the lashes. I'm gonna take this NARS Climax mascara. I've been loving this mascara. It works really, really well. And I'm gonna go in my top lashes and bottom lashes. I am gonna add fake lashes, but you don't even need fake lashes with this mascara. It's so amazing and it really pushes up your lashes. Next, I'm going to put on the lashes. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Sasha lashes. I'm going to take this Kevyn Aucoin contour book. This is called the contour book. And I'm going to take these contour colors and contour my cheeks. I'm going to take this large angled face brush and I'm going to go in with the sculpting light first. And I'm going to sculpt my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, and do a little bit of my nose. Next, I'm gonna go in with the sculpting medium. And then I'm gonna go in with the sculpting deep and really go in the cheeks. Then I'm going to take my big tapered face brush and kind of blend it together because I did go in with the contouring and now I feel like I look super contoured and I do want it to be blended. And then I'm going to take the Airbrush powder brush and I'm going to take this Bare Minerals Original Foundation in medium tan. It's actually a loose powder, a little tiny bit of it, and I'm going to put it all over my face to just kind of tie everything together. This thing is so amazing. This is the Japanese Peach Seed Lip Jelly and it is called the Kisu Lip Mask. Kisu is a Japanese way of saying kiss. And I'm going to prep my lips and put it on. I'm going to be putting on lipstick in a little bit, but I'm going to prep my lip. And then I'm going to take the Tarte Life of the Party Clay Blush Palette. And I'm going to take this blusher brush and let's do Flamingo. Then I'm going to also take the Tan Lines blush. Then I'm going to take this tapered highlighter brush. I'm going to go into the Kevyn Aucoin Lash highlighter and I'm going to highlight the highest points of my face. Then I'm gonna take the color Beam and go over, wow, I love this highlight. Beam is bright. So I'm gonna go over the highlight and I'm gonna take this small angle eye and then I'm gonna take Beam and I'm gonna go into the tear ducts to brighten up the eye. I'm gonna line my lips with MAC's Boldly Bare Lip Liner. And then I'm going to fill in my lips with Luminous Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick. This one is the color Tame. It's literally the perfect color. Smells so good and feels so good. So I'm actually all done with my makeup look. I'm obsessed with it. It was supposed to be an orangey look. I feel like it is predominantly orange, but the lips are pinky. I didn't want to do like all orange, but I'm loving this pumpkin spice vibe. All I need is like an orange or brown sweater. So cute. So I'm all done. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's it for my pumpkin spice latte makeup tutorial. It is such a cute orangey fall vibe look. I am loving it. All I need is a pumpkin spice latte and for the weather to get a little bit cooler here in LA, but you know, I'm wearing orange because, I don't know, I feel like just wearing fall colors now. I've been kind of like transitioning out of like the summer look. I was wearing a lot of light colors and now I'm ready for orange and brown and all of these colors. So I hope you guys like this tutorial and it's super easy. So if you want to do it at home, definitely try it out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching and have an amazing holiday and fall season. Bye guys. Mwah.
Lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah,
What's up guys? Heading to LAX, going to New York for New York Fashion Week. Usually I feel like I'm in the car at like 4 a.m. heading